Hi, this is Dr. Shree Rao. I'm an ENT surgeon specialized in pediatric ENT and cochlear implant surgeries. I've done over 100 cochlear implants till date, and the most common question that parents of the cochlear implant recipients ask me is, why is this cochlear implant so expensive, and what is that we get in a sound processor kit or a cochlear implant kit? So today I'm going to showcase or unbox all the items that are given in a sound processor kit. That is Advanced Bionics mynaidaci Q90 sound processor. So as soon as you open the kit, you'll be able to see items that are placed in the box. In that, you'll very clearly see the quantity and most importantly, the warranty of each piece. And finally, at the end, the signature that you have received everything. Make sure that you get these papers. And the first one, what you get is a Q90 sound processor. And this sound processor is the core component. This has microphones, 2 microphones, and a volume adjusting button. Most importantly, this is considered as a mini computer. Why? Because the sound signals, whichever your child is going to receive, this will be converted into electrical signals or digital signals in this sound processor itself. And the next one, what you get is a T-mic, a patented AB product, this T-mic or telephone mic. This has mainly 2 uses. One is that it exactly hangs at the external auditory canal. So your baby or yourself will be getting a near natural hearing. And the second purpose it serves is that baby will be able to speak on mobile, which is not possible with other implants. And after that, you'll be getting 3 batteries in this kit. You can see 2 small batteries, but we'll be calling these batteries as power cells. These 2 are of the same size. These are called power cell 110. Once we recharge this battery, the supply will be there for about 10 hours. And the other power cell or the other battery is a little bit bigger when compared to this. This is power cell 230, and once we recharge this, it comes around 24 to 36 hours. And all these 3 are rechargeable lithium ion batteries. And after this, we'll be getting this charger, power cell charger, along with the supply. We'll be charging this rechargeable batteries over this charger. And we also get an adapter with this. So power cell charger, the supply port and an adapter also comes in this kit. And now coming to other most important part or the component, the universal headpiece. This universal headpiece has also one more microphone, and this will be also attached with a magnet. Comes with a magnet too, which can be replaced. It comes of different strengths. The magnets comes with different strengths. The main purpose of this headpiece is that this is the one which gets attached to the internal component of the receiver stimulator, which is already been placed or surgically implanted. And we'll be getting color caps to cover this universal headpiece. We also get RF cables, 2 RF cables. So the main purpose of this RF cables is that this speech processor or the mini computer which is there, it has to send the electrical signals to this universal headpiece. So for this, these cables are attached to these 2. And these are 2 in quantity, and they'll be given in your sound processor kit. And this is one more very important part which you'll be getting, the drying box kit. This drying box will be given along with the sound processor kit, because once the speech processor, this universal headpieces are used in everyday purpose, there will be a lot of moist and humidity which is placed over this, which blocks the microphone which are placed over this. And for that, to remove any moisture or humidity, especially in locations like Hyderabad, this drying box kit will be given in the sound processor, and every day you need to place all this equipment. You have to remove, detach them and place in this drying box kit. And this kit also will be provided with an adapter, so this has to be charged every day. You'll be getting 2 snuggies, as the name itself mentions, snuggies for a snug fit of your sound processor. And this is a cleaning kit. You'll be able to see a small brush, a puffer to remove dust, and also a soft cloth to clean the items that have been given to you. And this is one more, a portable kit. So in case if you're traveling anywhere, so all these items can be snugly fit into this. This will also be given in the kit. Finally, you'll be getting a user manual or a reference guide how to use all these items. So this is about a mynaidaci Q90 sound processor. So in case if you have any questions regarding troubleshooting or attaching or detaching the parts regarding this Q90 sound processor, you can always go to an app, mynaidaci app, and you can find all the answers related to your questions. Thank you. Namaste.